Do you like hearing ducks?
I like hearing ducks. Hear the whistle.
Yeah. What we got going this morning, Her?
We got a foggy, muddy, wet wheat field. We are ready to kill some birds.
Good. You heard it. We are out here this morning targeting some mallards, green beans, and a nice wheat field. This thing was loaded up yesterday. Got permission. We got 6 spinners going, snow goose decoys, a bunch of full body mallards. Now we're just waiting for the birds. And we are gonna got some wind this morning. Didn't call for much, but we actually got some. Went and got a bunch of willow brush and different trees to help us conceal a little bit. And yeah, what's going on over here?
Waiting for the birds.
All right. I expect some good shots on the right side today. All right, guys, we're gonna see what happens here. The birds are starting to fly. Just had a couple land in the decoys, and try to shoot some ducks this morning. Well, I just had a snow goose land in the decoys. He's just hanging out. Not too worried about our little friend.
Hey, that could be
I'm hoping he draws in the rest.
Yeah.
He's the scout.
Yep.
Just give it 5 minutes. When he doesn't go back, they're coming.
Yep.
hunting crows.
Yeah, we need some sound. You might as well just go do it.
That is so cool how they pop out of the fog.
Doesn't look like we're gonna be able to.
Got it.
Maybe not.
We're gonna have to shoot him.
Well, we were gonna put the e-collar out, but
What he's gonna do?
oh look at this! Right into the freaking luckies. Oh, howdy. And anyway, we are gonna put the e-collar out just to get some sound going, to act like a snow goose spread. So foggy you can't even see over the dang hill back behind us. So we're gonna kill him. Oh, that was a good idea.
How was that?
Hey Zach, can I shoot it? Anyway, we got our snow goose.
That's the one that. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Timers.
And setting out the e-collar back behind us here.
Boy, did I.
We were gonna wait to put it out because we were just gonna start hand calling, but we can't see them and they're already in our lap before we can even call at them. So we're just gonna have the e-collar run, make some noise here in the spread, and ducks are coming right to the luckies. And if those snow geese keep coming like that, it'll be a pretty awesome morning.
It'll be ridiculous.
And, oh my God, it'll be awesome. So, and if them ducks come in to those luckies 15 yards away, that's gonna be absolutely sweet. So it'll be an interesting morning here.
And they're gonna get it.
We are gonna quickly move our snow geese up the hill a little bit here and try to get them to see us because there's a knob right there.
Those are green heads.
Kill them!
We gotta kill him here.
Cut! My gun didn't go off, that's great. There's no shell in the chamber, how's that work?
Well, that's why it didn't go off.
Be dusting the out of these.
I would cut these right in front of us. Kill him!
Nice wind. widgeon I took 3 shots at.
Holy!
Where did it land in here?
No. Over out front. Right here. Kill him! Kill him! Back! Shitload of snows. Ooh, right in front. Got him. Kill him! Trying to kill this dude. Yep. Kill it!
I had no shells in my gun.
Come on!
Nobody on the right side shoots.
I got it.
Kill him.
Got him.
You can't let him get away.
Kill him. Kill him.
Yeah, boy.
Kill him.
What a headshot, buddy. They tight enough? Well, guys, we're getting picked up here. Pretty awesome shoot this morning. Bunch of ducks, 1 snow goose. We got widgeon and mallards this morning, so that's pretty awesome. We weren't on the X. These birds are actually just down the field. Our one mistake this morning is we didn't come check it last night. We found it yesterday morning, and they had moved since yesterday morning down there. So we're gonna see where they're at this afternoon. Try to go hunt them over there, and it should be another good hunt if we can get down over there. The roads are so sloppy, we're gonna have to use the ATV again, but dealt with a lot of rain this morning. We are soaked. All our gear needs to be dried out, and we're gonna get back to the house and yeah, get reorganized and get things loaded up and back to the trucks. But thanks for watching this video, guys. We're gonna get out of here and try to hunt another day here. Wow. Little mud. Ain't duck hunting if you ain't in the mud. Goose bacon.
We got goose pastrami.
Goose pastrami. Goose breakfast sausage. Awesome.